10 simple ways to make a man chase you. It's one thing for a guy to notice you, it's quite another to make him chase you. Perhaps you're wondering how you can persuade a guy that you're the type of person he'd like to date and have in his life. It's time to figure out how to make him notice you're interested and chase you. So if you can let him do the chasing, we're going to show you these subtle yet effective moves. 10. Allow him to see you as a potential partner. Learn about his friends and invite them over. He'll pursue you more if he senses that your friends are also smitten with you. Make it clear to him that he can rely on you. Demonstrate your concern for him. This way, he'll realize you'll be there for him even when things are bad. And let yourself be a breath of fresh air in his life. 9. Be a woman of substance and worth. We all know that physical beauty attracts men. They want women who are strong-willed, competent, and self-sufficient. Enjoy your life and pay attention to how much he wants to be a part of it. Aside from being a visual treat for his eyes, be irresistible to him. 8. Be your authentic self. Though we all want to put our best foot forward and make a good first impression, you must also be true to yourself. Don't try to impress him by pretending to be someone you aren't. Allow that man to pursue and love you for who you are. Be open, vulnerable, and carefree. Accept your oddity, weirdness, and weakness in all of its forms. 7. Stop the pursuit. When a girl is willing to give herself freely, guys lose interest. Most people desire and pursue someone for the thrill and excitement of the chase. You can use reverse male psychology effectively to make it work for you. Stop chasing him because you want him to do the chasing and commit to you. This does not imply that you must completely disregard him. 6. Don't give him everything at once. You should not give this guy free benefits because he isn't your partner yet. Don't feel obligated to step out of your comfort zone. When you do, he won't see the point in pursuing you. 5. Subtle flirtation. Men adore women who can make the chase exciting and interesting. Even if you want this guy to chase you, you must first demonstrate your interest in him. You do not have to be a jerk or an ice queen. Instead, take pleasure in the chase and flirt with him. And don't rush into anything or give him everything he wants. 4. Don't constantly contact him. This technique is a no-brainer if you want to make the guy chase you. Take a step back if you want to send him a message or video chat with him. Refrain from doing this if you want him to chase you. If he initiates a conversation with you, you'll know he's interested. When you go on a date and everything goes great, thank him as a courtesy. Even if you want to, don't initiate another date. Allow him to do so. 3. Be enjoyable to obtain rather than difficult to obtain. Some women make the mistake of believing that playing hard to get is the way to go. This approach frequently backfires and repels men. According to Dr. Gary Brown, a couple therapist, playing hard to get can give the impression that you are uninterested and overconfident in yourself. This can make it difficult to form a healthy relationship. 2. Inform him that he is in charge. If you want a guy to chase you, make him feel like he has a say in what happens. This will bolster his ego. He'll also realize you can help him and are the woman he can rely on. Men will feel wanted and needed when they are in charge. Allow him to take the initiative. Inform him that you feel safe in his presence. Recognize his efforts and everything he does. 1. Exude self-assurance. People are drawn to those who look, speak, and act confidently. Men want their partners to be intelligent, attractive, and determined, all of which are extremely attractive characteristics. As a result, make your personality stand out so that the guy you want will pursue you. Display your natural confidence, which makes you untouchable while also desirable. Do not forget the hero instinct, and it's the perfect antidote to the situation you're in. Because once a man's hero instinct is activated, he will only see you. You'll get to a part of him that no woman has ever gotten to before. In exchange, he'll feel obligated to commit to you and love you like he's never loved another woman. There you have it. As always, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to see more content like this. With